morning, Kenneth. My name is Lori Muir at Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, Alabama. I'd like to take a moment to thank you for your internet inquiry on the all-new 2015 Hyundai Elantra. This one has the popular equipment pack. It is the blue with a tan interior. Very nice color combination. Come on in and take a closer look. You've got standard LEDs in the headlights, fog lights, aluminum alloy wheels, anti-locking brakes. Inside you've got a spacious interior for 5-passenger seating. Now the popular equipment package is a value at $900. You get the backup camera is standard. You get a touch screen AM/FM color LCD screen. And then you can see here is the backup camera in color with the grids, 180-degree view. On the steering wheel, you've got your cruise control, hands-free Bluetooth, push to talk, so you can just tell it who you want to call. You've got all of your gauges. This has the Active Eco system on it, which will save you about 7% on your fuel savings when you're on the highway. Incredible value on this car, and the warranty is 5 years and 60,000 miles on your new car warranty. You get 10 years, 100,000 miles on your powertrain, but when you buy from Tameron, we're going to double that to 20 years and 200,000 miles. That warranty is good nationwide. Along with Hyundai's warranties, you also get 5 years of unlimited mileage on roadside assistance. Come on in, let's take a look, take a drive, and let me show you why the Hyundai Elantra is one of Alabama's favorite vehicles.